Hi, I'm Quique Somenzini from Flex Innovations, and today I want to show you our latest design. It's the RV-8 70. We call 70 because it's designed around the DA70. Also is designed around our electric motor Potenza 65cc for electric conversion. The RV-8 70 you see here is our first of the series we're going to do. We call the Feather Light series. Why we call it that way is because it's very light. And you can see the size of the airplane. We put there the transmitter so you can see by comparing the sizes. That is 100 inches wingspan, and it has 2,000 square inches of wing area. And so basically you're looking at, and that was the spirit when we designed this airplane, is do an airplane that is the size of a 100 or 120 cc airplane, but powered by a DA70 or DA 60 monocylinder. So, or any equivalent size of engine in gas. But also the idea was to have something on this size, electric, which will fly on two 6200 6S, so it's a 12S, and very affordable battery, and the airplane flies just phenomenal with that setup. The spirit of this airplane is, when I designed this airplane, was try to have an airplane that will do absolutely everything and enjoy it. A relaxing airplane, no airplane that is pushing you. But if you want to push your limits, the airplane will reach that limit for you. But in general, it's an airplane to really have a good time, and it will do about everything from tumbling, some slow 3Ds. It will fly super slow, flap downs, and really tight. It feels like there is no stall when you fly it. So very, very excited about this. I think, honestly, I think it's a very unique airplane in the way that it flies, and also the way that is designed, for transportation. We thought about that too, and you will see another video where we're showing how the airplane disassemble, but even the vertical fins comes out. So it gets in a really small package. So we thought of important things like that, and also on the cost of the airplane, which is a very important equation when you go thinking about buying your next airplane. So you are going to get a lot of airplane for the money you're going to pay, and also the equipment on board it's less money, because the engine and the servos required for this airplane are not the super expensive servos. So you can gear up the airplane with a relatively low cost, or for sure a lot lower cost than if you gear up 120 cc. And we had two versions, two color schemes. We have this one you see, and the other one is the camo color. We have ARF and also ARF SV with servos that are already installed. Just to finish the comment around the airplane, it's a joy to fly. It's an airplane that will really kind of blow your mind, the way it tracks, the way it handles, and how easy it is to fly. So I'm really looking forward to this airplane to be in the market and other people flying it, because honestly, this has been one of the projects that I have most enjoyed lately to doing it. So thank you guys for your time, and looking forward you to own one of this.